Hey guys, so we are going to dye our hair today. I know, it's been like 5 minutes since I dyed it last. So I took a couple before pictures, so I'll insert them now. The last color that I did was a couple weeks ago, and I used Developer. I did the Ion. It was supposed to be like a rose gold color, and it was supposed to be permanent, and it lasted about 3 washes. So, I mean, it's faded nicely, but this is not what I wanted. So I've decided to be a little bolder, and we're going to go in with, I've never tried a lime crime hair dye. So it is unicorn hair in Bubblegum Rose. So I'm hoping, because my hair is not platinum, so it's not going to come out this vibrant, I'm hoping that mixing with the gold, it'll give me a rosy gold color, but I have no idea. I also don't know how long that this will last, but I will definitely leave down in the description box below all of that information because I usually don't post these videos right away, so I'll have a couple weeks to give you feedback as far as how well it lasted on my hair. But this stuff is great because it's kind of like Manic Panic. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free, and you don't add developer or anything with it. So the directions said, so I have gloves. I don't always have gloves when I dye my hair. Very important. It says that you can leave it on from half an hour if you want it to be subtle to up to 2 hours if you want it to be more vibrant and long-lasting. And I also think that's recommended if your hair's a bit darker because it's a little bit harder to get the color to stay on there. It is super bright and it looks to be a very thick consistency. In case you're wondering. Oh, it smells so nice. Oh, it really smells nice. It smells like I would wear this perfume. I know, I don't get out much. Okay, so I'm just going to start putting this on my hair. I'm going to start with the front because that tends to be the most damaged and I have the harder time dyeing that. I am going to put it on my roots, but I don't expect it to take to my roots because they're darker. Hey guys, so it is the next day, so I just wanted to check in with you and show you how vibrant this color came out. So very cool. It dyed pretty much all of the shades of blonde that I had. It just didn't do much to the roots that were brown. So I'm super excited and happy about this. So I just wanted to give you a few pieces of information, things that I learned from the process. So I did leave it in for the full 2 hours, which they recommended if you wanted to get the most vivid color payoff. I used about 1/3 of the jar, so theoretically then I could dye my hair twice more, so 3 times total with the one purchase, the one jar. So I rinsed it out with lukewarm water. You don't shampoo, you can condition if you want to. I did not. Because I wanted to see what kind of shape it left my hair in, and my hair feels great. It feels healthy. I mean, I know it doesn't have developer or bleach in it, but it really didn't affect the health of my hair at all. Like, it is not like more damaged than it was before. It's in really good shape. Because it is like Manic Panic, if you wanted to water down the color, so to speak, you could mix some of the dye with a white conditioner to create a lighter, less vibrant color if you wanted to do that. And also similar to Manic Panic, if you wanted to mix this with another Manic Panic or Lime Crime dye to create a unique or different color, you absolutely could do that. So I'm really happy with the results. In the description box below, I will let you know as far as the lasting power of the dye. So I haven't shampooed it yet, so I will let you know what happens after a couple of shampoos. Shower, when I did lukewarm water to rinse it out, it did rinse clear at the end. There have been times where I've done a vivid hair color and as I'm rinsing it out, it like won't stop like bleeding the color, you know, like it just keeps, and I can't get it to run clear, and I eventually just have to be like, okay, I need to stop rinsing my hair and just let it be. So this did not have that problem. It did rinse clear after a couple of minutes, which is pretty awesome. So I will leave in the description box below, if I don't have any more on this video, I will leave in the description box below how it did after a couple of shampoos as far as lasting power. If you guys have any questions or anything like that, please leave them below. Thank you so much. Hey guys, I just wanted to do a quick check-in. I just washed my hair for the first time after dyeing it, so I will insert a couple of pictures. It did look like quite a bit of color was coming out, but it is super vibrant and it is semi-permanent. With just water, no pigment came out, lukewarm water. But once I used shampoo, which even though it was a color-safe shampoo, I still got like some loss of color. So I just wanted to show you what it was like after the first shampoo. Also, I did need to condition, which is possibly a result of just like previous dyeing experiences. Like this, my hair obviously has been dyed quite a bit. But I know immediately after dyeing, I was able to rinse it out and not use conditioner. It didn't really need it. But this time, after the first shampoo, I do feel like conditioner was necessary and helpful. So just sharing that thought.